today. If today is your very first day of stopping by, you are most welcome. And also, if today is the very first day of seeing my beautiful face, you are most welcome. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing with you how you can use baby spinach to take care of your skin. And this baby spinach is super effective and it's very beneficial for skin. So I'm going to be showing you how you can use it to take care of your skin. So if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and also turn on your notification bell beside the subscribe button. With this, you will not miss any of my video because I upload video on this channel almost every day. And also give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Share this video with friends and loved ones. Thank you, and let's get into it. The first ingredient will be baby spinach. So this is baby spinach, as you can see. Baby spinach is rich with antioxidants. This will help remove the radical from your skin. The free radical tend to cause premature aging. Though it destroys your skin, spinach gives you healthy and glowing, young-looking skin. Spinach is rich in vitamins like vitamin B complex, A, C, and K. This B complex prevents threading and protect your skin from sun. Spinach is rich in both vitamin K. This helps achieve clear skin, acne-free skin by reducing dark circles. If you are suffering from dry and itching skin, spinach is perfect. Spinach gives you an amazing complexion. It will help to brighten up your skin. It will give you a smooth skin and a glowing skin. And after using this baby spinach, you will see the difference in your skin. So I'm going to show you how to make this baby spinach now. So I'm going to blend this baby spinach. I will put it inside the blender and blend it. So I'm going to take 2 spoons of spinach. The next ingredient will be my ground flour. So I'm going to use 2 spoons of ground flour. The next ingredient will be my goat milk. So I'm going to use 1 spoon of goat milk. So I'm going to mix all these ingredients together. So after finish mixing it, I'm going to apply it now on my face. Make sure to clean your face. Make your face dry before you apply this treatment. You apply it all over your face. After finish applying the treatment, you have to wait for about 30 minutes. So you make it dry for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you use lukewarm water to wash it off. Then, when you wash it off, you will see the amazing result. You will feel that your skin is so soft and smooth. This treatment is going to remove pimples, pigmentation, acne, and it will leave you with a spot-free skin. So, you've seen how I apply the baby spinach on my face. So, this is very good and it's going to remove pigmentation, free radical. It will help you look younger and your skin will be so smooth, and it will give you a glowing looking younger skin. So that is how to apply baby spinach face mask. This treatment is very effective. Thank you for watching this video, and Don't forget to subscribe, and if you are new on this channel, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and turn on your notification. With this, you will not miss any of my video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.